How's everybody doing? We're here instead of being in Miami. Oh, I'm so jealous of everyone that's going to Miami right now. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Be more successful is what they say. Okay, let's see here. We're just getting all sorted out. I forgot to check the volume, so hopefully it's decent on the old tunage, although it just seems to have stopped for some reason. So that's fun. Oh, let's just play the same song over and over again. Let's see if we can do this. All right, all right, all right. Oh, no, that's not good. Okay. Working on the music, working on the music. Having a coffee. Oh, just a little truth bomb. Oh, yeah, that's the stuff. That is the stuff. All right. 3 days in a row. Crushing goals. Didn't think I was going to do it. That's why this is titled Coming Up with Reasons Not to Do This, because that's what I was doing the whole last half hour, was trying to figure out what good excuse can I give to myself to not do this today. Because that's how my brain works. It's really stupid. And then I was just like, well, I couldn't come up with a good enough reason, so I guess I'm doing it. And now we're here. I'm trying to refine that music. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, where is it, man? Oh, excuse me. Got the burps. Oh, here we go. Boom. That's what I wanted. All right. Is this playing the whole list? Good job. I have been annoyed with the fact, the one thing in OBS that I don't like, and I'm sure somebody smarter than me has already figured out a better way to do this, but I don't like how the audio capture, the built into OBS, it like, even if you tell it to do a specific Chrome window, it'll just do all the Chrome windows. But I want to be able to keep them separate, so if I like watch a video that I want audio for later, I can keep that audio out with, and still be able to keep the music silenced. And so my short-term solution is to have the Edge browser open doing the music so that I can use my regular Chrome browser for all my beautiful other things. Okay. As always, we got to start it out with a little... What image is it going to generate? Nobody knows. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Might have to try it out on the old ChatGPT now. Here, let's see how ChatGPT does on this with its new image gen. All right, Jibbity, you are getting your chance. Don't blow it. Okay. Oh, I just want to go to Miami and hang out with all the cool people who know how to do development better than I do. That's what I want out of life. Okay. While we're waiting on those, let me just make sure everything else is working. Seems to be, I think. That's working. That's working. Good. Good. Okay. I think we might do some boot.dev. What do you think, guys? Oh, that's classic. Gemini really loves these purples and blues. And it also loves Nighthawk for some reason as the streamer. It's interesting. It picks Nighthawk every single time. All right, what about ChatGPT? Oh, it's still going. Oof. Oof. What have I done to you? Anyways. While we're waiting for the old Jippity. And we'll see what it does. In the meantime, let's just continue checking that everything's running. Oh yeah, I was trying to edit a video earlier, and then I forgot to put it on the other computer, and now it's stuck in this limbo of being transferred. Oh, I just realized I'm dropping a ton of frames. Oh no, this is no good. Let's see if we can fix this really fast. Crud. This is terrible. Let's see if we do a speed test. What's it doing? Is this computer messing things up? All right, let's see what's going on here. See what kind of speeds we got. Hello, YouTube. Sorry, we are dropping frames like wild, and I don't know why. This is not working. I might have to restart. Yeah, what is happening? Why is my internet on this computer so bad? Something's happening. Is this just because I have Edge open? Could be. Could be. Which tool is best for image generation? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. Oh, it says I have good internet, so why are we dropping so many frames? I'm at like 32%. I'm going to get banned. Okay, I'm hoping this is going to sort itself out in just a second, but if it doesn't... Oh, that's why. My upload's terrible right now. Oof. Okay, well... Eek. Let's see if I can fix this. What if I take this computer offline? And let's see if we can get this sorted. If this doesn't come down and start working properly, I'm going to have to stop it and do it again. But shoot, that's really frustrating. I don't know what's happening. I did just upgrade OBS. I wonder if it's the upgrade. I wonder if it changed my stream settings. Flip. Oh, this is bad. Well, let's see if we can see what's going on here. Stream. Switch auto. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, all right, hold on. I think we're starting to sort ourselves out. I think we're starting to figure it out. Okay, okay. Dropped frames have slowed down. To answer your question though, best for image generation, I'm not sure. I'm debating between two still. I'm not 100. I don't know if I like the new image gen by ChatGPT is pretty good, especially for text. It was really good for doing some text generation. But other than that, I don't really know. I'm just trying to see if I can figure out... Oh, I know why. It's this thing. Okay, okay. I think I figured it out. I'm going to close a couple things. I had my Nextcloud server running and being a bit of a fool. There we go. I bet getting rid of that's going to change this completely. Sorry for all those drop frames at the beginning. That was a nightmare. I think that's what it was, though. My server was kind of going a little bonkers. Hopefully that's fixed. Anyways. We're going now. We're going. So now let's see if ChatGPT can ever come up with this banner or not. Because I would like to see it, if it does. I've been on a road trying to protect my soul. I think I can actually turn this internet back on too. I'm gonna try. Because I actually do really want this other computer still online. I'm just gonna turn this off though. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't mess anything up. Okay, good. Our percentage is dropping. We're doing better. We're getting there. We're getting there, folks. Professionals. Okay, is it still on everywhere? Did anything get booted? No. Live. Okay, good. Okay, great. We're in it. We're going to do boot.dev today. That's the plan. Because why not? What? Oh, okay. Actually, that's pretty good. Of course, as soon as you say streamer, they love this cyberpunk blue. Please ensure your network settings allow access. Okay, get out of here. Network settings. This is my house. I am the network settings. If anybody is listening, let me know about volume. I was messing around with the OBS settings, and so I needed to change a bunch of volume settings. Hopefully, it's good. I don't like I explained this yesterday, but I don't like having the same volume on that's going out on the stream in my ear because I like listening to things louder in my ears. But then I don't know if you guys are actually hearing anything of value. or if you're getting your ears blown off. I think I got it set back to what it was supposed to be. It should be nice and quiet. Just a little background, little backy back. Okay. Yeah, what do you think? Boot.dev? Let's do it. We're gonna hang out for a few more minutes while I just make sure everything else is working. Got the recording going. Boom. Bum 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 bum. Anything new and exciting in the world? Probably. But who knows? Well, I'm gonna finish this coffee. Okay, we're gonna do boot.dev. Let's open it up while we're waiting. Well, not while we're waiting, but while I'm thinking about what I'm gonna do. Boot.dev. I haven't done boot.dev in months. Months and months and months. I don't know if any of my learning is still in my brain. So we gotta go back. We gotta go back and look. Oh, we're way down right now. I got real low in my chair. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at all the new courses. Lane, just crushing it, dude. What do we want to do? What would be fun? I should remember what I was already on first. Let me look. I was building an AI agent in Python. Is that what I was doing? Oh, they added some new lessons to learn to code in Python. Building asteroids. I was doing that. Build an AI agent. I think that's what I was doing. The only thing I don't remember... Let's do learn data structures and algorithms, because the plan is to read this book soon anyways. So why not also do it on boot.dev? It's upside down. Oh, that's his butt. I'm having too much fun already by myself. Alright, let me also check on my old agent. I've been yelling at it all day, telling it to do better. Let's see. Well, that didn't work. Can anybody access that site? No, you have to be on the Tailscale network. Never mind. Tailscale is awesome. If you use multiple computers and you like to SSH in between them or share things between them and you're not using Tailscale, hashtag not an ad, but hashtag you should do it. Tailscale is legit. I really like it. Oh yeah, I guess I could announce that I'm on live. That usually helps. It's usually smart to tell people. Okay, so let's see. We are going to start the at boot.dev learn data structures and algorithms course. Today on stream, we are live, my friends. Come hang out on the old X, Twitch, or YouTube. I'm gonna put the old Twitch link below. /Thoughtless Labs is my name. Doing things dumb is my game. God, I love this song. Oh, Bash is live. Bash, I can't compete with you. You can't go live at the same time as me. I'm gonna have to change my time. I can't compete with Bash. Yo, what's up? What's up, Void? How you doing, man? We're gonna do some boot.dev today. I haven't touched boot.dev in months, and I am rusty, but we're gonna go for it. We're gonna do the data structures and algorithms course, because it's new, or newer, new-ish. All right, hold up, I need some water. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm doing good, man. How are you? I'm just trying to get back into the old stream habits. I've only ever been able to do it for like 2 months, and then I get busy and forget to stream. So we're on day 3. My hand is very long when I do that. Anyways. How are you doing? Living the dream, I hope. Well, I'm glad that our drop frames have calmed down. We were going wild on those for a little bit. Boom, boom. I'm trying to reopen some tabs. Hold up. Sorry, I'm on a different computer. I've got 2 computers rolling, and it's not very exciting when I'm not showing you what I'm doing, but I need to open it on a different computer. Oh, here we go. That's what I was looking for. Sweet. I'm hoping this works. We'll find out later. What time is that? 3 o'clock. Okay, it's in 15 minutes. So, all right, you guys don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to see if I can get some agents to just do stuff a little bit differently than like a Ralph loop. The idea is to force them to think about ways to improve things on a schedule, not a schedule, like whenever they don't have anything active going on. It sounds really dumb, and it is kind of dumb, but we'll see what happens. The idea is that they should, my hope is that it'll continue to improve the system that it's working in by just, whenever it runs out of tasks, stopping and going, what's happening in this system? How could I make it better? And then just making it better. I will say, Codex for this has been so much better at consuming tokens over what Anthropic was doing. So I don't know what was going on there, but I've been using way fewer tokens letting this thing run. See you later, bud. All right, so let's do some boot.dev. Let's open up data structures and algorithms. I'm probably gonna have to turn off the music because I think I'm gonna want to listen to Lane over here. 32 hours of content. Oh dang, that's like my stream for the whole month. Perfect. And I'm really bad at coding, so it's probably gonna take even longer. That's the best. All right, well, I'm into it. Oh, why is my computer not working? Ah. What the heck? What computer do you think you're on right now, keyboard? Let's see if we can try that again. Ah, oh, for crying out loud. What do you think you're doing, keyboard? Ah. I can't type. Can I just not type? Is it a... Nope, it's the actual keyboard has messed up. All right, well, we're going to do this. I need a keyboard. I cannot do this without a keyboard. So let's hope that I can get it working without having to restart all the USBs. Might just have to unplug it. We'll see. But hopefully it will reconnect. Nope. Ah, okay. Hold on. Close up. Oh, shoot. That's why this thing fell. All right. Well, that might explain it. Hold up. Now, which one is the keyboard that I need to unplug and plug back in? I think it's this one. All right, hold up. Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah. How was that? Little belly shot for you. Enjoy. Okay. I think we got a keyboard working again. Oh, not quite. Come on. Did something else come undone? Dude, what is happening over here? Okay, the problem here is how I have everything set up. I guess I could try plugging it in. That would work. No. Do I have an extra USB? Flip, man. Alright, well. I can't do boot.dev if I can't type. But I can't get my typing to work because it's stuck on a different... Maybe... Oh, I have an idea. Maybe it got confused about what it was doing because I was doing it on another computer. If this works, this is going to be wild. Okay, hold on. No, shoot. I was really hoping that was going to do it. Oh. Something happened. I opened up Microsoft Copilot 1,000 times. What the? It says it's connected. Why doesn't it know? Now I gotta open up USB. Oh my goodness. What a life. Sorry, peeps. I know this is super exciting for everyone. Okay. Keyboard. What keyboard do you think is working? Oh yeah, something is just wrong. It's not recognizing half of my stuff. Okay, let's try... Should we try removing it and putting it back on? Sure, why not? And then I'll plug it back in after it's removed. Let's see if that works. Oh, what a nightmare. Okay, we're gonna try this. You get the belly again. Enjoy. All right. Okay. And we'll make sure that's plugged in. Back in. Okay. See if this works. Troubleshooting is what they call it. Okay. Now, will you recognize that keyboard? Hopefully. Well, if this doesn't work, then we're just going to have to do something else because I don't really want to restart the stream. Can I do a whole stream without a keyboard? That's the question. I do have one more idea. I could pull another keyboard. Hold up. Hold up. Let's get this bad boy. All right, you. Now, this one has not been connected to this computer in a long time. So, let's see if it even still works. Okay. Did you connect? Are you connected to a different computer? Are you connected to this computer? Nope. Okay. Oh, it doesn't know. Okay, it's looking. Perfect. All right, we need to open up the old Bluetooth connection. Oh my gosh. Bluetooth. New device. Nope, that's not it. All right. Okay, we're going to try this again. Okay. Oh, I know this is a nightmare. I know I should just restart this stream, but I can't. I can't do it to myself. Add device. Bluetooth. Keyboard. Let's see if this works, baby. Come on, it's trying to connect. Oh, this is not gonna work. I hate my life. What if we go to 3? Okay, let's try this. Connect. Connect. No. So, classic Windows, everything is broken. Yay, Windows, you're the best. I love you, Windows. Oh, what a nightmare. Like, why do you not recognize this keyboard, bro? Come on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you've now been reset. Maybe I'm not resetting it. I can't even search, though, because I don't have access to a keyboard. Ah! Okay, let's see. Sure, the keyboard is on and press all the FN plus J plus Z keys. No, I don't want to redo the whole thing. I just want the Bluetooth. Oh, how fun is this? Watch me, oh, watch me fix a keyboard. All right, we'll try this. FNZJ. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we're gonna hold this button down. Let's try to get this Bluetooth going again. Yay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We can do this. Let's go. You can connect a keyboard. You're a smart guy. You know how to connect keyboards to computers and things. Right? Right? Right. Or do you? Or do you? Maybe you don't. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on. How are you not in pairing mode? What the F? This is the dumbest thing that has ever happened. I hate you, computer. Oh my god. Okay, trying one more time. You're in pairing mode. Can you do it? I swear, if this doesn't work, we're either just going to try and do a stream without a keyboard, which, you know, why not? Challenge yourself, right? Or we're going to just lose our minds. And it looks like we're just going to lose our minds is the goal here. What the F? You dumb computer. I just want to know why this one stopped working. Because it's funny. It's working on my other computer. But the... Is this one working? Yeah, so that one works. What the heck, dude? And then, like, the mouse isn't working either. It's something to do with this USB connection. It is completely effed itself. And I don't know why. Okay? So, we're gonna find out. Or not. But yeah, this is... I know what is needed. I know a computer restart is needed. I just don't want to do it. Because if I quit streaming, I'm just not going to do it anymore. I'm going to quit for the day. Out of disgust and anger. And just frustration about not being able to use a keyboard. Like, what the hell? What are you doing? Why? Why don't you work? Something is trying to keep me from embarrassing myself with my terrible coding. But, like, for real. Okay, I could lose microphone for a bit and try plugging it in. And that might work. What do you think? Or I could just be annoyed. See, like I said, my problem is that I have the mic, not the microphone. Well, actually, yeah, the microphone, the camera, and everything else plugged in, running through the same USB hub. So if I unplug the whole hub, everything goes, and then I gotta put it all back together. And if I would have just done it when I started talking, I probably could have been done by now. But instead, I'm just annoyed. Whoa, what the hell did I just do here? Something is broken. The keyboard thinks it's doing something. That is absolutely the problem. Okay, I'm going to try repairing it with its thing. I wonder if this will work. I forgot that you could do that. Did that work? Huh? Huh? Keyboard? Nope. 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 Well. I don't really know what to say. Other than, I'm sorry. Something thinks it's clicked down. Maybe if I remove the mouse. Maybe that's what broke. Let's get rid of the mouse. And then we'll put it back in. We're going to do these things one at a time. And see if maybe we can figure out what's going on. Ooh. Well, I need a better location for this. Because doing this is awkward. Okay. Huh. Nope. I know I have to just unplug it, and I just don't want to. Why am I being so stubborn about this? Why? But yeah, see, something's going on. Because see how it's like even clicking on all these things? It thinks it's doing something that it's not doing. Like, why? It's like the keyboard is stuck in a pressed state somewhere. Like a control button is stuck. Because, like, I don't want to select anything here, and I'm not clicking to select. Oh, did I fix it? No, shit. But yeah, that's 100% what's going on. It has to be. It think. Oh wait, why did tab work? Okay, and escape works. Okay, something. It thinks a button is pressed. That is 100% what's going on. 100%. Because that's why it's doing all this weird things. And that's why it's stopping me from typing. Because it thinks a button is pressed. But that's why it still lets me do random things like tab. And can I do Windows key? Is that the one that's broken? Is Windows key busted? Okay, Windows key's working. So it's just a few random buttons are working? I don't understand. This is weird, dude. Does somebody else have control of my laptop or my keyboard and they're just not telling me? Okay, wait. I'm going to turn it back to the other computer. And I'm going to search and see if I can figure out why. I can't show you because I can't type on that computer. Keyboard in 2.4 GHz on Windows 11. Only some keys working, like Windows key, tab, and escape. Cannot type. All right, let's see what AI can figure out, and see if it says something's going on. Physical keyboard blocked. Oh, filter keys. It thinks filter keys got added. No. Is that all it is? Let's go find out. So we're going to go to settings. Did I accidentally turn it on? That would be hilarious. Accessibility. Keyboard. Oh man, that would be hilarious. Nope, it's not that. But also now, so weird. Because now, scroll's working again on my mouse. But see, it thinks something's going on. Probably not. Oh, there you go. Maybe you can. Did I accidentally unplug it? I've done that before, where I kicked the power out. Let's check that out. Nope, that's all in. I don't know if... Well, frick, man. I don't think the camera's working yet. I gotta reset it in OBS. This has been a disaster. You can hear me through my disaster at least. That's fun. Okay, let's get this back on. Oh, did it work? Yeah, okay, camera's back. We're back. Okay, now, is the keyboard working again? No, the keyboard is still messed up, but the mouse is working. Oh yeah, mouse is back full. So it's just the keyboard. OMG. I gotta plug it in. I feel like I have to plug it in, which means I'm gonna remove the mic. And I don't even think anybody's here, but we're gonna remove the mic, so I won't be able to talk for a few... Can you hear me? Oh, we're back. Only like 30 minutes of stupid troubleshooting. And clearly it was just that the USB dock shat the bed for a little bit. But hey, look, I can actually press start the course now and we can do it. Yay. Okay, we're back. Oh my gosh, that was a nightmare. What a silly thing to have happen. What are you gonna do though, eh? What are you gonna do? All right, well, I guess what we can do is start boot.dev for a little bit. That was good. We only wasted 42 minutes of doing nothing. Not bad. Not bad, everybody. 42 minutes of wasting time. Well, actually, I gotta go to the bathroom. So I'm gonna go do that. And then I'll come back. I'll be right back. Nightmare fuel. We are back. Let's hope I actually muted that properly. But loving it. Living the dream, baby. Living the dream. Okay, let's do some boot.dev. Yeah, let's learn about data structures and algorithms. I'm ready. I lied. I need to check an email first. Hold on. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to turn off the tunes so that we can do boot.dev in silence the way it's supposed to be done. I might. Yeah, we'll just turn it off. Because we're going to be there's probably some videos and such on here that we're going to read through and do. I kind of just feel like I should take my headphones off. I don't really need them. I guess I could listen. Let me see how loud my voice is. If I turn this on, can I hear how loud my voice is? Does this work? I don't even know, man. I don't even know, man. I don't even know what you want, man. Don't even know what you want from me. I think it's this. Oh, yeah, it's this. And then I could hear myself probably. Oh, I don't know if this is like double outputting. Nobody knows. Okay. I think we're ready. Let's do it. All right. I think that's big enough. Yeah, everyone can see it. I think I'm going to take these off. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, now I hear like myself. There's an echo in this room. I should fix that. I've never heard myself talk without those headphones on. What? Oh, we got to get into hacker mode. Hacker mode. Engaged. I do not know what I'm doing with my life. I'm 40. Yeah, this is wild. I've never heard myself without my headphones on. That's how much I wear them in this room. Okay, let's see. All right, let's do it. Let's read. Welcome. No, we're not going to do voices. We are not going to do voices. Welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms. The terms data structures and algorithms, DSA, were designed to scare young CS students into eating their vegetables. After this course, you'll come to see there is nothing to fear. Goals of this course. Think. Oh, I wish I could read. Learn to think algorithmically. Break problems down into easier to solve parts. Learn to think about how to organize data for more efficient access. Break problems down into data models that make sense. Learn and practice performance optimization. Make your code run faster and more efficiently, even with more data. I like this. I've been wanting to do something like this for a really long time because I actually think it'll really help me with like AI coding stuff. Because I am still on the boat that like knowing stuff is more helpful. But I haven't done it because that's who I am as a human. But I'm really excited for this. This is gonna be awesome. What is a data structure? Data structures are just organizational tools that allow for more advanced algorithms. You're already familiar with some of the simplest data structures: lists, ordered collections of data, dictionaries, key to value mappings, sets, unordered collections of unique data. We did learn about that many moons ago. So do I remember anything about it? The answer is no. Will I struggle with remembering anything after taking this course? Absolutely. In this course, we'll be exploring when you should use each of these, but we'll also cover more advanced structures like stacks, queues, and trees. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is just a set of instructions that can be carried out to solve a problem. People use algorithms all the time without even realizing it. I kind of want to move this. Hold on. You guys can't see this, but I'm going to move OBS to the right side of the screen. So that way, when I'm reading this stuff on the middle part of the screen, hold on, I got to make it the right size though. It'll be a little bit more, oh, that's too far. Bloop. A little bit easier because I don't really need to look at OBS now that it's operating. So I can look straight ahead now. Boom. Hey guys, this is me looking at you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put out another notification. Oh yeah, okay. Data structures, algorithms. Do you wanna see a guy struggle. We're gonna put this up on the old Twitty Twits. Okay. Do you realize want to see a guy code poorly? Come watch me learn about data structures and algorithms on Twitch. On stream. Okay. Boom. We did it. We did it. We did it. All right. The promotion. Oh, man. I think I got bit by a bug. It's so itchy, 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 wah, wah. All right. Hold up. Where was I? People use algorithms all the time without even realizing it. Practically every function you write in code is an algorithm. Well, kinda, even if it's a simple one. We are going to start by focusing on algorithms, then move on to data structures. Pop quiz, do you want me to say data or data? I'm happy to say either one. I like data. Data structures. Data structures. No, I like data structures. Data structures? Data structures. I don't know. I could go either way on this. Data structures. I'm going to just mix it up. Data structures. While it may sound complicated, you'll be introduced to these concepts step by step. A word of warning, don't worry about memorizing this stuff. In particular, don't worry about memorizing the algorithms and data structures themselves. My philosophy is that it's mostly a waste of time to memorize anything. That's a Google search away. You know whose philosophy that was? That was Benjamin Franklin. He said that Einstein. I'm an idiot. It was Einstein. I should have looked this up. Einstein said, never waste time memorizing anything you can look up. And I mean, people think he was smart. So what do you think? I don't know. Okay, so don't worry about memorizing stuff. Instead, focus on understanding how DSA works at the moment. You should understand what your code is doing and why, but that doesn't mean you need to memorize the code itself. Good luck. Amazing. Which is not important. Memorizing. Boom. I'm in the Twilight Chimera League, baby. I don't even know what that means. Let's go. Let's go, Chimera. Heck yes. Yes. All right. Sorry. I've lost my mind. When I'm here alone, just reading about the data structures, I lose my mind a little bit. It's already on the fence most of the time. So when I lose it fast. Okay, nobody's going to believe this, but if anybody comes back and watches this later, I would like you to know that when I am working at home by myself, I have these same conversations with myself at all times because I don't know. Because I can't help myself. I just can't help myself. I'm sick of people sending me. I saw Trade Cafe listed as a resource. I'd like to know more. I work for 2 restaurant chains. I know that's just. Well, that doesn't make any sense. I hate. This is an absolute getting off topic rant, but I get that OpenClaw and AI has made doing spam so easy. I get it. I understand the appeal of going like, wow, I didn't know how to do this before. I didn't know how to be super annoying on the internet, and now I can do it really easily. And just being like, I'm going to do it. Everyone's talking about spam and how good it is. I'm just here to tell you that I will delete every single email and ignore every single call from somebody that I don't know now because I assume it's all spam and I just can't be bothered reading it all. And like if you submit a form on my website, I'm so annoyed by the spam. It's so frustrating. Just stop it. It's not helping you. It's really not. I promise. I know you think it is, but it's not. And you're just wasting everyone's time. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Okay. Find minimum. As mentioned, an algorithm is just a set of instructions that can be carried out to solve a problem. It's not any more magical than that. I don't know, Lane. That's pretty magical if you ask me. Assignment. In this course, we'll be building pieces of a pretend social network. Locked in. Nice. I like it. Locked in is a place for professionals to virtue signal about how all the for-profit work they do is actually an altruistic endeavor. I do love Lane. I don't know if he wrote this one himself, but his sense of humor is right up my alley. This is great. I think Facebook needs a job fair. It includes tools for influencers to track their growth. We need to show our users the accounts they follow with the lowest follower counts. This will help them know who they follow that isn't popular enough to be worth following anymore. Implement the find minimum algorithm in Python by completing the find minimum function. It accepts a list of integers, nums, and returns the smallest number in the list. Set minimum to positive infinity. Okay, so let's do that first. Wait, so min equals float. Oh my gosh, I haven't written any code or Python or anything. Min float infinity. If the list is empty, return none. So if nums, is it length of nums? Is there a faster way to do it? Can you just do is empty? I don't remember. So we're gonna do it the way that I can remember how to do it. So if length of nums is greater than, no, there's such a better way to do this in Python, but we're just gonna do it this way because, like I said, I haven't done this in so long and I don't remember how to do it. Then return none. Else, we don't need an else. It'll just stop if it's, oh wait, is empty, is less than 1, or else then we're gonna do for each number in the list. So we need a for nums, number in nums, do if num is greater than min, wait, compared to the minimum, if the number is smaller than minimum, set minimum to that number. Less than min, then we're going to, hold on, am I getting messages? Oh, I am getting messages. Hold on. Work messages. Gotta handle work messages first. Oh, nice. Oh, people are doing, oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, hold on. I gotta respond to this. Oops. These are great. Thank you. Okay, and what's this one? Oop. Hi, John. More John Friday Corner. Amazing. Thank you for sharing. I will definitely include it in the Friday Corner. Getting ready to do our monthly newsletter, so people are starting to send me stuff, which is awesome because that's what I've always asked them to do. I love it. What's this? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Let me go back to this. So if the number is less than the minimum, then what we're doing is, wait, what's this? What doesn't it like? Expected an indented block. Oh yeah, it just doesn't know where I'm done. Okay. Then, hold on. I gotta answer it. Hold on, I'm going back to work stuff. Perfect. Okay. So dumb. I love it. So if num is less than min, then we're going to set min equals num. And if that, do I need to do anything else? I think I can just do that. And then when this is done, we return min. Does that work? What did I miss? I don't need pass anymore. Or do you have to leave pass for this to work? Let's run it and find out. Oh, dang. I think we did it. I haven't wrote a single line of code in a very long time, and I just did it right on my very first time. I can't wait to see how much easier I could have done that, though. But let's just check it out. Let's submit it and make sure. Oh, yeah! Oh, I really do love getting these right. It's so much fun. Okay, what's the solution? How close was I? Oh, snap! Equals 0. Duh, that would have been smarter. Less than 1 is a dumb choice. But I got everything else right. Oh, wait, minimum. They just named it minimum, and I named it min. Lane, your boy's a genius. Oh, what's this? Hold on. More messages. Oh, okay. Not at all. Sorry. Hold on. Got to do life planning things. I can't believe I got it right. I'm so happy. If I only get to do one because I have to go, it was still worth it. It was worth it to get this correct on the first try. I'm so happy. Oh, yeah. Okay, looks like I have tasks to do. Okay, well, I forgot how much fun boot.dev was, so I'm going to come back and do this later. I might even do it later tonight. Double stream? Why not? But until then, I gotta go. I got things to do. Sorry for cutting this short. I don't think anybody's here. I think it's just me, so nobody's going to be too concerned about this. But ya boy gotta go. All right, we're coming back. We're gonna do this later. Peace. Who am I? Who is this guy? Okay. Da-na, ba-na, ba-na. Hold on one sec. Forgot how much fun boot.dev is to do. Only got through one lesson because kid duty has taken over. But now that I remember how enjoyable this is, I will be streaming it again and again and again. Okay, I should stop this though. I gotta stop it. I gotta stop it. I gotta stop it. I gotta stop it. Okay, I'm out. Bye, everybody.